Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using this software. In this video, we're exploring Mindbody online, accessible at https://www.mindbodyonline.com. This platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline business operations for wellness and fitness professionals. From managing appointments and client communication to processing payments and tracking performance, Mindbody seeks to be a one-stop shop for businesses in the health and wellness sector. Their services cater to a diverse range of businesses, including yoga studios, salons, spas, gyms, and integrated health centers. One of the key features of Mindbody is its online booking system, allowing clients to schedule appointments 24/7 via a user-friendly interface, either through the Mindbody app or directly through a business's website. This accessibility promotes client convenience and potentially increases bookings by removing the limitations of traditional phone-based scheduling. Furthermore, Mindbody facilitates automated appointment reminders and follow-up communications, reducing no-shows and fostering client engagement. Beyond booking, Mindbody provides tools for managing client profiles, storing important information such as contact details, appointment history, and even purchase history. This centralized database allows businesses to gain a deeper understanding of their client base and personalize their interactions. The integrated point of sale (POS) system simplifies transactions, manages inventory, and provides comprehensive reporting on sales data. This data-driven approach empowers businesses to make informed decisions and optimize their operations for increased profitability. Mindbody also offers marketing features, including email marketing campaigns and integration with social media platforms, enabling businesses to reach a wider audience and promote their services effectively. Furthermore, the platform provides tools for managing staff schedules and tracking employee performance, ensuring smooth operations and optimized staffing levels. While exploring Mindbody, be sure to consider the various pricing plans available to find the option that best suits your specific business needs and budget. With its comprehensive suite of features, Mindbody aims to simplify business management for the wellness industry, empowering businesses to focus on what they do best, providing exceptional services to their clients. Be sure to check out the link in the description and let me know what you think of Mindbody in the comments.